We got our first official van delivery. We ordered a whole bunch of stuff, so. Oh! And of course, this is our first delivery. Alright, gotta try it on. They're like ski goggles. How's it look?
Very good.
And we're gonna get started with our first van build outside. My dad's here visiting, and he has conveniently some tools that we can borrow for the day. And we're gonna go start. I'm not gonna need it today, but hopefully soon. Alright, so hey, this is our first video of day one van build. So we're gonna do the partition wall and maybe start the floor today. Here we go.
Demo day one.
Let's see how it goes. Alright, so if you have a Promaster and you're doing the partition wall, you basically have all of these little silver ones all the way around and two of these guys that are on the floor. And then you have two of these rivets. Alright, so these ones were Allen wrench 3/16. And the ones on the bottom down here are Torx number 40. And we're just using the impact driver to get them out. Should probably pull this up.
So this is 11/64 drill bit. I'm just kind of drilling kind of off center a little bit and into the middle of it. There's no divot to put the drill bit tip in, so you gotta just make one.
All right.
Smoke.
That's how you do it.
There it goes.
There we go.
And just twist it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Pop it loose and then we just put it straight on front. It was stripped, so otherwise you could use the number 40.
And sometimes like the weight of it's like making it hard to turn.
Yeah, and also we're on a hill, so if you're doing this, maybe don't be on a hill.
Yeah.
Keep re-gripping it. Maybe, I think it's almost there though. There we go. Use some pliers with you in case that happens to you. All right, last one. Okay, there's that. Take this baby out of here. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so apparently you can sell this afterwards, take it out. All right, these ones on the floor are the same as the bottom two on the door, so that rhymes. The Torx number 40. Yeah, a little bit. All right, so we're problem solving.
Did you get it?
No, it's just stuck.
Can't get it.
All right, well, at least these ones are coming out. So they're kind of rusted out, but we're just using like a little pick tool sort of thing and just kind of scraping out some of the gunk. Okay, well that one's the same deal as the first one. Well, we'll just see which ones are the easiest first and then. Okay, oh, the whole cap came out. I guess that's what we want. And this is why soundproofing is a big deal. Because as you can tell, it's just like a big speaker box, just projecting. His goofball. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Trying to sit on my lap? What the heck, dog? Yeah, drill it out. That works.
No, look.
Man, what the heck? We're just chiseling through this. I think the chisel is like the MVP here. Yeah.
That shouldn't hold the floor down.
Whatever it takes, man. Oh, there's some random little screws in here. That's a screw right there.
Oh, that's holding it down.
Yeah, for sure. So we could see underneath, there's a screw attaching it, but can't really even access the top of it. So unless we just I guess we just lifted it off. Didn't know we'd be starting our cutting holes project yet. We just made some holes by accident. So once we get this lifted up enough, we can just kind of pull it out. How many are there? It looks like they're just on the edges. That's one. That's this one right here. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 maybe. Well, I don't see it on this side. It's maybe just in the back. Here's another tip. Bring a vacuum. There's a lot of random dust and stuff everywhere. Typically, you'd want to cover the end of your pry bar or crowbar with cardboard so you don't scrape the bottom, but we have a lot of scrapes already, so we might as well we're just gonna have to do our rust prevention primer and paint anyway on everything. It's like right on a ridge. Oh, that's all a ridge along there. Okay, it's a little trickier. Maybe I can get it like on this thing. Oh man, try it here. Now, because the ridges go lengthwise, you're kind of like hammering into the ridge. So you kind of have to wedge it a little bit and then lift it and then kind of wiggle it yourself to kind of get it over the ridge so that you're not just working against yourself. Okay. Oh yeah, you cut it pretty good. So we just used a chisel because these little screws were just not coming out. Yeah, we just literally sliced it. You just have to go in between the ridges. Yeah, and hammer that in. Yeah, I saw something move. Hey, making progress. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to come up a little more. Oh, so now it's just the glue that we're fighting against. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of glue dots. Oh my gosh.
That might be. Yeah, right.
Hey, there we go. Nice. Hey, the dog's in here. What are you doing, buddy? Show how it was sticking. Do you think we should just start lifting it from the back and just kind of chisel as we go?
I think we could. All right.
All right. So you guys gonna lift it?
Yep.
I'm just gonna try to
I guess.
go along. Oh yeah, see the wood splintering.
Oh, my side's not coming up.
Oh man, this is tough. Oh, actually that kind of works on its own. Yep. We might just be able to lift it up.
I don't think we can't lift it up the whole way.
This person said if you get it to the door, then you can start going in from the side. So maybe I should just, if you guys want to lift it, I'll try to lift the side. Yeah, nice.
It's in the ceiling.
Yeah, lift it.
Yeah.
There we go. There's a little elbow grease. I feel like we're literally just gonna have to take off all this stuff and just clean. It's so dirty.
Yeah, so you can like twist it.
Yeah, right.
Or make it more.
It's just hitting the roof.
Yeah, right.
Now we just gotta work our way over and see if we can tilt it that way. All right.
We're trying.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice.
Should we do it from this side? Or is it hitting over there?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Here, wait, let me lower this one. You guys can raise that side. Oh, shoot.
Wait, you all right?
Yeah. Now tilt it if you can.
Trying.
Oh. Look at this cargo van's like, what the heck are they doing in there?
Yeah, I know exactly.
Yep. All right.
Woo. Yeah.
Oh.
All right, wow.